Have you ever gazed up at the night sky and wondered if we're truly alone? What if I told you that just a stone's throw away, cosmically speaking, there's a world that might be eerily similar to our own? A silent, waiting twin to Earth, just 12 light years from us. This isn't science fiction. This is Teegarden b. Discovered back in 2019, this incredible planet has astronomers buzzing with excitement. It orbits a small faint star called Teegarden star, a red dwarf so dim you'd need a powerful telescope to even spot it. But the planets around it, they're a completely different story. And Teegarden b is the star of the show. Why all the hype? Well, it all starts with something called the Earth Similarity Index, or ESI. It's a scale from 0 to 1 where 1 is a perfect Earth twin. Teegarden b scores a stunning 0.93. That's the highest score for any exoplanet we've found so far. This suggests it could be a rocky world, just like Earth, with a similar size and mass. It might even have a temperate surface, not too hot, not too cold, but just right for liquid water to exist. And where there's liquid water, there's the tantalizing possibility of life. Teegarden b sits squarely within its star's habitable zone, often called the Goldilocks Zone. This is the sweet spot where conditions could allow for oceans, lakes, and rivers to form on a planet's surface. Imagine, just 12 light years away, a world with shimmering blue oceans under an alien sun. But here's where things get really wild. A year on Teegarden b, the time it takes to complete one full orbit around its star, is just 4.9 Earth days. That's right, you could celebrate a new year almost every week. This is because it orbits its red dwarf star incredibly closely. If our Earth were that close to our sun, we'd be toast. But Teegarden star is much cooler and dimmer than our sun, so this close orbit is what keeps Teegarden b warm and cozy in that habitable zone. This close embrace, however, leads to another fascinating feature. Teegarden b is likely tidally locked. This means one side of the planet permanently faces its star, while the other side is locked in perpetual darkness. Imagine a world with a land of eternal day and a land of endless night. The day side would be bathed in the constant dim red light of its star, while the night side would be a frozen expanse under a sky filled with distant stars. So, could life exist in such a strange environment? Scientists think it's possible. The most promising area would be the terminator line, the twilight zone that separates the light side from the dark side. In this perpetual dusk or dawn, temperatures could be mild and stable, creating a perfect haven for life to emerge and evolve. Picture alien plants that have adapted to the constant low-level red light and creatures that thrive in the permanent twilight. Of course, there are challenges. Red dwarf stars are known for being a bit feisty, especially in their youth. They can unleash powerful stellar flares, blasting their planets with radiation that could be harmful to life as we know it. However, Teegarden star is an older, unusually quiet red dwarf. This is fantastic news because it means its planets have had a long, stable period to develop, potentially billions of years. If Teegarden b has a strong magnetic field and a substantial atmosphere like Earth does, it could be well protected from any occasional stellar tantrums. The discovery of Teegarden b is more than just finding another rock in space. It's a profound reminder of the sheer possibilities that exist in our universe. It challenges us to expand our definition of what a habitable world could look like. It's not just about finding an exact copy of Earth, but about understanding the incredible diversity of worlds that could support life. With new technologies like the James Webb Space Telescope, we are on the cusp of being able to study the atmospheres of planets like Teegarden b. We could soon analyze the light passing through its atmosphere to look for biosignatures, chemical hints of life like oxygen or methane. Can you imagine the day we get a signal back confirming an atmosphere rich with the building blocks of life? The journey to Teegarden b would be long, but in the grand scheme of the cosmos, it's our next-door neighbor. It represents a tangible target, a beacon of hope in our search for life beyond Earth. It's a testament to human curiosity and our relentless drive to explore the unknown. Every new discovery, every piece of data, brings us one step closer to answering that age-old question. Are we alone? Teegarden b whispers to us across the void, a silent invitation to look closer, to dream bigger, and to continue our incredible journey into the cosmos. The universe is filled with wonders, And this potentially living world, just a short hop away, might be one of its greatest secrets yet. What do you think? Could a world of eternal twilight harbor life? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this journey to the edge of what's possible, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more adventures into the cosmos. Thanks for watching.